Aloha!
Join us as we hit the top 15 must-see spots in Oahu, Hawaii. Beaches, sights, and island vibes await.
First up is Waikiki, famous for its beaches and surf, perfect place to relax and soak in island atmosphere. At the International Marketplace, shop, eat, and enjoy the free hula dance.
Up next is Diamond Head, Oahu's iconic volcanic crater. Hike to the top for breathtaking island views.
It's a 0.8-mile moderate hike with tickets available online and plenty of parking nearby.
Next stop, Hanauma Bay. This beautiful marine sanctuary is perfect for snorkeling and spotting colorful tropical fish in crystal clear waters.
Next up, Koko Crater. Take on the 1.8-mile strenuous trail hike for epic island views.
Next stop, Makapu'u Lighthouse, where the sparkling sea meets towering mountains. Enjoy an easy hike with breathtaking ocean views.
Parking is available at the trailhead for a convenient start. Ready for some adventure? Manoa Falls is a hidden gem in a lush rainforest. Hike 0.8 miles each way, 1.6 miles round trip. Looking for souvenirs or tasty treats? You'll find them all at the swap meet. Wrap up your swap meet adventure and head over to Pearl Harbor, only a 20-minute walk away, for an unforgettable historical experience. Be sure to book your time ticket online for the USS Arizona Memorial. Discover a tropical paradise at Ho'omaluhia Botanical Garden, where peaceful paths and vibrant flora surround you. Find your calm. Byodo Temple. The sacred bell echoes through the valley, welcoming peace and harmony. At Kualoa Ranch, every corner is a new adventure, from exploring Hollywood film sets to horseback rides, ziplining, jungle expeditions, and even an ocean voyage to a hidden beach. It's Oahu's all-in-one adventure spot. Dive into the colors and rhythms of the Pacific at the Polynesian Cultural Center. The Waimea Falls Trail is 1-mile family-friendly easy trail to reach the fall through lush gardens. And finally, shop, eat, and explore at Ala Moana, Oahu's ultimate retail paradise.